Hello! Today we're going to be doing a lab to see how viscosity and volatility impact different liquids to understand better how the different kinds of lava can cause damage. We're going to be comparing lava to 3 different household items. I will be using water, corn syrup, and conditioner. If you're trying this at home, you can use almost any combination of liquids. You've got olive oil, syrup, honey, dish soap, yogurt, shampoo, whatever it is that you can find. We're going to be doing 2 different experiments, a race and blowing some bubbles. So let's get started with this race. I've got a sheet here marked with a start line at the top and an end line at the bottom, and I'm going to dump a small amount of each liquid down so that you can time how long it takes each liquid to go from the start to the end. So first, here comes water. Next, I've got corn syrup. And finally, I've got some conditioner. Next, we're going to discuss the volatility of each of these liquids and try to explore what that is like. Volatiles are bubbles of gas that get trapped inside of a liquid. They don't make it to the surface as a bubble. And then these bubbles of gas that are trapped in the liquid continue to heat up and expand. And so when there are more volatiles trapped, you are more likely to get a big, violent explosion. So we are going to blow some bubbles into each of these liquids and see how many bubbles make it to the surface. If the bubble makes it to the surface of the liquid, then it has escaped and it is not a volatile. So the more bubbles that make it to the surface, the fewer volatiles, trapped bubbles, there are. If not a lot of bubbles make it to the surface, then all of those pockets of air are still trapped in the liquid and they are volatiles.
The goal here is to count how many bubbles make it to the surface in 5 seconds of blowing bubbles.